Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to remove front panel in your Yamaha ZR bike. First of all, you got to remove front nose in your Yamaha bike. So what you got to do is, you got to unscrew the two important screw available in your bike. Okay, near handbar, below handbar you will have that screw. Okay, so I will now show where it is. See here, I am zooming it. See, yeah, this is the screw. You should first unscrew. Okay, just unscrew it. Okay, rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Almost unscrewed. Okay, in similar way you go to go to the right side too. Okay, I will show it. You will see here screw. You have to unscrew it. Just rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Almost unscrewed. You can just push it down. Okay. Yes. Removed. Okay. You can see the battery and other wirings here. If you would like to remove full panel, then you go to unscrew other 4 screws available in your bike. Okay, here you will have one screw. Okay, that is under this light. Okay, and under this light there will be one screw. You will have here one screw, here one screw, 2 screws. Here you will have one screw, here you will have one screw. Okay, this is entire front panel. You can easily remove this entire full panel, entire front panel by just pulling it out. Okay, but do it carefully because headlight will be connected to your wiring. Okay, so gently with your hand, just hold and slowly pull out, and then you can remove the wiring and you can pull out completely. Okay, I will not going to unscrew all of this because it will take a lot of time. So I have just told what are the locations of the screw. Okay, that is in the left side. In the right side you will have 3 screw, and in the left side you will have 3 screws. Totally 6 screws. You go to unscrew after you remove this nose. Okay, this nose have already 2 screw. Okay, so totally you go to unscrew 8 screws. Okay, you can completely unscrew front panel. Okay, you can completely remove front panel, and if you have any wiring problem or any other problem, you can check it out there. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.